Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys through my daughter's wash day routine and how I styled her hair. As I'm taking down my daughter's hair, I am detangling along the way, so that way when we get to washing and deep conditioning her hair, it is a lot easier. Of course, before we go in and detangle, we are going to saturate her hair. I just have plain water in my spray bottle, and then we're going to go in with this pre-shampoo. And you guys, this is my absolute favorite. This is going down as a holy grail. I will never go without it ever again for a wash day for my daughter's hair or mine. Before I go in with my detangling brush, I go ahead and finger detangle because I want to prevent as much breakage as possible. And you guys, I really do feel like this has been one of the things that has helped retain my daughter's hair length. Now I'm going to go ahead and saturate her hair with warm water to get it prepped for shampooing because we want to loosen up all of the product buildup and dirt that's in her hair. And it's also going to help to open up her pores and her hair shaft so that the shampoo can penetrate into her hair and give it a nice cleanse. So I decided to pamper my baby girl a little bit today, and while I shampooed her hair, I used the scalp massager to massage her scalp, and she absolutely loved it. I went to go stop to rinse out her hair, and she's like, wait, mommy, can you just do it a little bit longer? And I'm like, you're hilarious. You are your father's child. My husband loves to have his head rubbed. He will fall asleep instantly. Now I'm just getting her hair sectioned off for me to deep condition it. And of course, you already know, before I applied my deep conditioner, I had to put my aloe plant. It has also been a staple in her hair, and it really does make a big difference. If you haven't already, you need to add this to your wash day routine. It's been a while since I've done a protein treatment in her hair, so I felt like it was time. Her hair was feeling a little dry. So I did go ahead and go in with my favorite protein treatment. I usually don't show you guys, but I thought I would show you in this video. This is how much hair comes out after I am done detangling. This is pretty normal for her, especially because I don't comb her hair for about 3 weeks because it's in a protective hairstyle. These are going to be the products that I use in her hair today. The Dew and the Dew Grow are products that I use pretty often, so I already knew what to expect from them. Now, the Curlsmith Flexi Jelly, this is going to be my first time using it, and it's okay. I don't really like it in her hair. I don't really feel like it did anything extravagant or out of the ordinary. I feel like it's a typical gel. It is very light. So this might be good for like a wash and go. So I'm going to try it in my hair and see if I like it. I hope I do because that bottle was $23. All right, you guys, so hopefully at this point you guys could follow along step by step. I tried to put the angles as best as I can so you guys can see exactly how I achieved this hairstyle. One thing I do want to point out that is very important is please do not, and please be very mindful of the rubber bands. Do not make them super tight. We do not want the tension on the hair. If the next day you see any pimples on her scalp, or it looks like her scalp has like a little whelp in it, but it's really just you pulling it and her skin being pulled, please redo it and take it out, because if you leave it, I promise you, her hair is going to come out. We do not want to put any bald spots into our babies' heads. I just realized that I forgot to include the Carol's Daughter when I showed you guys my other products that I was using. I know it seems like I'm using a lot of product, but I'm really not. Each serves a purpose. So the Carol's Daughter is a leave-in conditioner. You're going to put that in because that is going to leave her hair hydrated. And then I go in with the Dew when I am putting the twist in the back, because the Dew is going to give the twist a nice shine. It's going to lock them in really good. And then I do plan on taking out her twist and letting her wear it out, so I needed it for the definition. Then the oil, of course, to oil her scalp when I am done. And then the Curlsmith curling jelly was for me to use for her roots to give it a nice clean look. My daughter does have really thick, dense hair, so her hair just eats it all up. So of course you use the products that work best for your child's hair. You don't want to put heavy, oily products in your kids' hair if they have thinner hair or they have more finer hair. These products are definitely for someone who has more thicker, coarser hair. So I slowed this clip down so that you guys can see that I am not just doing a regular 2-strand twist, because those are not going to last. I like to do the rope twist, and that's basically when you are twisting each strand individually and then you're going ahead and you're twisting them together. This gives it a more cleaner look. It secures the twist. You won't have to worry about them unraveling. All right, you guys, so this is the final result. I am obsessed. I think it came out so cute. It came out way better this time because I incorporated more parts into her hair, and then in the sections I made them smaller than what I did last time. So overall it just came out way better. The smaller the better, especially because my daughter has thick hair, so I needed to make the sections as small as I could. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification so you guys can stay up to date with me and my videos, especially my girl mamas out there who may struggle with coming up with hairstyles and things to do with their daughter's hair, because I know it could be very stressful sometimes. But again, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.